like to introduce you to Column Bookshelf, designed to challenge the traditional bookshelf. Column is a piece of interactive furniture that can be modified in order to fit different types of objects. This is accomplished through a modular system that allows the user to pull down each of its pieces. Thus, it offers multifunctional shelves and a decorative exclusive piece of furniture at the same time. We are a group of 4 students of industrial design, tired that our university projects remain stagnant into simple ideas. Colin emerges from a proposal of furniture made to be presented at an international fair of furniture design, the NUT Congress. Its success at the fair and in various publications encouraged us to open a crowdfunding campaign to meet the cost of the first production. The campaign ended up doubling its initial goal. Now we are opening a Kickstarter campaign to make a second series of production and create a collection around it, thus expanding our projects from Barcelona to the world. Besides the original concept, we have also put our minds in designing several decorative items just to offer special rewards for Kickstarter backers. Help us make the campaign larger and make a style out of Column collection.
We were born to move. And now, there's a lounge seating experience that moves with you. Introducing the award-winning Sway collection. Sway intuitively adapts and responds to you. Its unique orbital motion gives you freedom to move. Front to back, side to side, and everywhere in between. So you can collaborate, plan, focus, study, or just relax. Sway brings the energy of motion to any space. You and Sway, created to move.
You do the bing while I'm doing the swing.
Yeah, exactly.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Andrew, and we're industrial designers from Brooklyn, New York.
And we made motos. Motos is a tool-free furniture system using connectors and boards to make whatever you want. In cities, you know, like here in Brooklyn, people are moving all the time, and most flat pack furniture is like such poor quality that it's like falling apart when you try to move. Or it was like such a hassle the first time you tried to put it together that you just can't bear the idea of actually putting it together a second time. It's like cheaper to just crush it, throw it out, and buy another one.
Most flat pack furniture takes much longer, and it's much more frustrating. It forces you to buy a product that doesn't last.
We were looking squarely at all these environmental issues in the development of Motos furniture. With Motos, we wanted to make something that was really high quality, that is really easy to assemble and to disassemble, and it doesn't need any tools, you're not going to lose anything.
It's hardware and boards. And when you combine the two, you can make shelves, beds, desks, really anything you like. You don't have to keep buying furniture over and over, which is expensive and not good for the environment.
It's something that's going to keep going with you every time you move.
We created a system that does change when you move.
If you're the do-it-yourself type, you can buy connectors, download designs to make, or make your own designs. We've been through dozens and dozens of iterations. We have working prototypes, and we've gotten a lot of positive feedback. So the Kickstarter funds are basically to set up our production and order the quantity we need to bring the price down. Backing our campaign will help cover the initial manufacturing costs. Motos has been a dream for a long time. Funding our campaign will make this dream a reality.
And in return, you'll have our eternal gratitude, and you'll get Motos furniture at a reduced price.
So thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.